Kamoinge was just really, for me, it was community.
Draper was always encouraged, the younger artists who came in.
Through his constant honesty, his constant integrity, it comes out in brilliant photographs.
Buford, his wit comes out quite often in his images. That's his personality.
I can look at a Sean Walker's photograph and I say, hey, Sean Walker took that. Herbert Randall is a very quiet, kind of laid-back kind of guy. You can see it in his pictures.
Ray Francis did some beautiful street work. Herman Howard, one of the most energetic persons I've ever been around in my life. And his photographs showed the energy, movement, light splashing.
Fennar, he rendered himself invisible in a way that his work spoke for him. Very subtle.
Ming Smith. Ming has always had a personal vision.
Herbie Randall, I loved his work. There was something so pure, the humanity, in his work.
Adjut Callan is a charismatic figure, and you can see it in Adjut's pictures.
There was just this positive outlook of working together because they ain't paying attention to us, but we are working together to do what we feel strongly about, and that's called Black excellence.